Rankings in Google are yesterday's scoreboard. This is because in AI search, visibility means something different, being named and cited inside ChatGPT, Perplexity, Bing Copilot, and Google AI overviews. So how do you measure that? Start with a 10-minute audit. Open each platform, run the questions your customers actually ask, and record 3 things. Are you mentioned? Are you cited? And are you among the first sources? That's your new baseline. Then look at your foundations. If AI crawlers can't read your site, you'll never be cited. That means, allow ChatGPT's OAI search bot in your Robots.txt, keep your sitemap clean, and use structured data for products, FAQs, and organization details. Here's one quick win most companies miss. Publish a clear FAQ cluster on your site, answering the questions prospects ask in chat. Models love clean, answer-first content, and they'll start quoting you more often. Do this every month, and you'll see exactly where your brand shows up and how to improve it fast. We posted the full step-by-step guide on our blog. Link in description.